Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Smarthome. Today, we're diving into a common issue that many of you asked about, problems with your Levoit humidifier. If you found yourself here because your Levoit humidifier is acting up, don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through some troubleshooting steps to get your humidifier back up and running in no time. Now, let's get into it. Segment 1. Common issues. So, you've noticed your Levoit humidifier isn't working properly. Before we jump into the fixes, let's identify some common issues you might be facing. 1. No mist production. 2. Strange odors. 3. Leaks or spills. 4. Display issues. Segment 2. Troubleshooting. Let's start with issue number 1, no mist production. 1. Check water levels. First things first, ensure that there's enough water in the tank. If the water level is low, your humidifier won't produce mist. Make sure to fill it up according to the manufacturer's instructions. 2. Clean the water basin. Over time, minerals and impurities can build up in the water basin, hindering mist production. Give it a thorough clean with a mixture of water and vinegar. Be sure to consult your user manual for specific cleaning instructions. 3. Inspect the wick filter. The wick filter is crucial for the proper functioning of your humidifier. Check if it's dirty or clogged. If so, clean or replace it, depending on your model. Segment 3. Addressing strange odors. If your Levoit humidifier is emitting strange odors, here's what you can do. 1. Clean the humidifier. Sometimes, mold or bacteria can develop in the humidifier. Clean all components thoroughly, including the water tank, base, and any removable parts. Use a mild detergent, or follow your user manual for cleaning solutions. 2. Replace the filter. If your humidifier uses a filter, it may be time for a replacement. Old filters can contribute to unpleasant odors. Refer to your manual for guidance on replacing filters. Segment 4. Handling leaks and display issues. Now, let's tackle leaks or spills and display issues. 1. Check for leaks. Ensure that all seals and connections are secure. If you notice any leaks, tighten the seals or replace any damaged parts. 2. Reset the humidifier. For display issues, try resetting your humidifier. Turn it off, unplug it, wait for a few minutes, and then plug it back in. This simple step can often resolve electronic glitches. Conclusion. And there you have it, folks. Troubleshooting tips to get your Levoit humidifier back in working order. If you've tried these steps and your issues persist, it might be time to contact Levoit customer support for further assistance. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and share it with anyone who might be facing similar problems. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.